Non-toxic houseplants are indeed the ideal option for households with pets and children because they eliminate the risk of harm if accidentally ingested. Moreover, many of these plants provide added advantages such as air purification and aesthetic enhancement. Here are some popular non-toxic houseplants. First up, we have the spider plant. These guys are amazing at purifying the air, removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene. They also absorb carbon monoxide, making your indoor air cleaner. Plus, they're completely safe for both kids and pets. Next is the Erica palm. Not only does it filter pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene, but it also adds humidity to the air, which is great for respiratory health. And yes, it's non-toxic to your little ones and furry friends. The Boston fern is another air purifying champion. It removes toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene while releasing fresh oxygen. It's a safe choice for homes with children and pets. The zebra plant not only looks stunning, but also improves air quality by removing toxins. It emits compounds that can enhance your mood and is completely safe for kids and pets. With its thick, glossy leaves, the baby rubber plant is a beautiful addition to any room. It emits oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide, refreshing your indoor air. It's non-toxic and safe for children and pets. African violets add a splash of color to your home and release compounds that can boost your mood. They're completely safe for both kids and pets, making them a perfect indoor plant. Peperomia plants are great at purifying the air and contain compounds with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. They're non-toxic, making them safe for your whole family. Also known as the wax plant, Hoya plants produce mood-enhancing compounds and are very attractive. They are non-toxic to kids and pets, ensuring a serene home environment. The friendship plant has unique, textured leaves and contains antioxidant compounds. It's a safe and comforting presence for homes with children and pets. Lastly, we have the prayer plant. Its fascinating leaf movements and mood-enhancing compounds make it a delightful addition to any home. It's non-toxic and safe for everyone. These non-toxic houseplants are not only safe for your pets and kids, but also improve air quality and add beauty to your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant tips and home decor ideas. Thanks for watching.